Welcome to the Cinegration Doorbird SIP installation manual. This manual is designed to show a dealer how to install SIP into their Doorbird and the control floor. So steps one. First, we're assuming that you guys have already enabled the IP address, the username and password, and that the camera is already testing valid, and that the doorbell notification has been enabled and is functioning. So if it is not, you need to set up those two things before the SIP will be enabled. Okay, so let's get started. First thing you're going to do is go to Actions, and you're going to hit Enable SIP. What this does is this turns on SIP in both the Doorbird and the Control 4. This is the username of the Doorbird SIP, and this is the password. Note, for every Doorbird that you have in the system, this username and this password must be unique. In most cases, leaving it as the default is going to be satisfactory. The mic level is the mic of the Doorbird itself, and the speaker level is the level of the Doorbird itself. Call group. This is the group that you are going to be calling when the doorbell button on the Doorbird is pushed. Right now there's none because we haven't set any up. So let's go do that. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Agents. We're going to go to the Communications Agent. No, if you do not have the Communications Agent, you will need to go to Add and add the Communication Agent. So click it, hit New, type Doorbird, and add your touchscreens into the call group. Once that's done, go back to your driver, go back to Actions, press Enable SIP again. When you go down to call group now you will see that call group available. Once that's done, hit Set. At this point, your Doorbird is allowed to call your house. The last thing you need to do is you need to go and click on the intercom. You need to change the name to Doorbird or something other than intercom, or else on the touchscreens all you'll see are a whole bunch of intercoms that all say the word intercom, and you're not going to know which one's which. The other thing you're going to need to do is check this alternate camera, and you're going to need to choose the main driver or the Doorbird camera. Second, you'll need to go to the custom button section. You will need to enable both user 1, custom button 1 and custom button 2. Button 1 is the door open command, and button 2 is turning the light on. Once you set both of those up, you're good. Click back. Everything's good. Lastly, refresh navigators, and you are good. That is the steps to enabling the SIP interface with the Control 4 and Doorbird proxy.